Hey there guys, what's happening and welcome to Finance Ninja. There are thousands of ways to make money online, but rarely are they ever simple as the one we're going to tell you about. In this video, we're talking about how to earn $2,287 just by opening emails, which is very beginner friendly. But before we get started, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our future videos. Number 6. Going to Volutic. There are many websites on the internet that provide a lot of valuable services to people. By becoming a part of those websites, you can start to make money online from the comfort of your own home. While there are multiple websites that do this, the one we recommend is Volutic. You can simply find this website by Googling the name and then clicking on the link that pops up. On the front page of this website, there's a lot of info that's been given for potential users, and it has been explained what exactly you need to do in order to start making money with them. But what does this website actually do? Well, as the title of this video tells you, all you need to do is read the emails that are forwarded by this website, and then you'll be making money instantly. There are a few simple steps that you need to follow in order to get started, but they're all explained in this video, so let's get started. Number 5. Commission levels. As we said, the website Volutic is very transparent with how they operate. You can see this for yourself by going on their website and then looking at different commission levels that they offer. These commissions are separate from the ones you'll be making by reading emails, as they're based on the number of referrals you have. This means that if you bring new people to their website, they'll reward you for that. They've stated on their website that there are 6 different levels of commissions one can earn. The lowest one is 50%, meaning that you make 50% for every dollar your referral makes. For example, if the person you brought to this website made $20, you would make $10 on that, and those $10 are not being taken from your friend, but rather the website is rewarding you for your help. This is just the lowest tier one. The highest one is stated as being 100%, meaning that you make $1 for every $1 that your referral makes. That is such an unbelievable level, but one that's actually available on Volutic. Now, don't you think that's amazing? Number 4. Thousands of members. While reading emails and making money by doing so sounds like a dream, it is in fact not like that at all. This is because directly on their website, Volutic have put the number of people that are working for them. This shows not only their transparency when it comes to matters like this, but also that there are thousands of members working for them. Right now, their website says that over 17,000 people are working for them. If this website wasn't legit, there wouldn't be that many members working for them. Other than that, they also show the number of people that are online at one point, and it can vary from a few hundred people to nearly 1,000 at times. The third metric that they display very proudly on their website is the amount of money that they paid out to the people working for them, and it looks like they paid out thousands of dollars to those users. They even have payment proof available on their website, which can further verify the information that's been given by them. Number 3. Getting started. So now that we have all the information about this website, let's talk about taking the first steps in making money with them. One of the first things you need to do is have an email account. While that's no doubt true for all of you, it's recommended that you make a new email. There are many reasons why you should do so, but the main one has to do with the amount of emails that you'll be receiving from the website. The website is no doubt going to be sending you a lot of emails, which you'll need to open in order to make money, so if you don't want all those emails to get mixed up with the ones that you usually receive on your personal account, it would be better for you to make a new email account. This is not only useful in separating your own emails from the ones sent by the website, but you'll also be free from the stress of receiving hundreds of emails on your personal account and getting fed up with all those notifications. So let's take a look into creating a new email. Number 2. Making a Gmail account. One of the best things about this website is that it offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to which type of email you have. You can have a Yahoo email or a Gmail one, and that's all fine with them. It just has to be a valid one. It's our recommendation that you make a new account on Gmail. This is because Gmail is not only the most widely used form of email, it's also the most intuitive one. One of the first steps you need to do in order to make a new email is to search Gmail on Google. After that, click on the link, which will take you to the Gmail homepage. On there, you'll see an option to create an account in the top right corner of the page, so do click on that. After that, you'll just need to provide Google with a name and an email that's available. After doing all that, you need to set a password for your newly created email. After filling this out, click Next and you'll be taken to a new page that asks for some more information. Most of this information is optional, meaning that you don't necessarily need to provide Google with that info. So after filling out the necessary details, you'll be taken to the final page where they display their privacy policy. After agreeing to it, there's nothing more to be done and you've just created a new email account for yourself. Now one of the last steps is to register that account with Volutic, so let's talk about that. Number 1, registering with website. After going through all those steps, simply return to the Volutic homepage and click on the button that says register. You'll then see a new screen which asks you to put in a new username and the email you've just created. In addition to that, it also requires that you make a password for the site. If you have a friend that also works for this website, you can enter their details in the referrers section of the form, or you can just leave it empty. After all that, simply click on register. Doing so will send an email to your new Gmail account that will be from Volutic. This first email will have an activation link that you must click on in order to activate your account on Volutic, and that's all you need to do to get started on this journey of making money online. Soon after this, you'll begin receiving emails which you will then need to open, and doing so will keep on making you money. But be sure to check your spam folder from time to time, as some of them can get accidentally directed there. And there you have it, guys. These are some of the details of how you earn money by reading emails. It's great that the internet has enabled us to get this far, and who knows what new innovation lies waiting for us in the future. Well guys, this about wraps up our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you don't miss out on future videos going forward. And if you enjoyed the content, then let us know by smashing that like button. And until next time, take care and goodbye.